Yo, what's up mga idol at bossing ko? Have a blessed day everyone. Maligayang pagbabalik sa aking munting channel. Shoutout po sa aking mga kababayong OFW at sa mga viewers ko po dito sa Pinas sa inyong walang sawang suporta at panonood sa aking mga upload. For this video, lahat po ng unit natin good as new condition, gas in go, mechanic inspected. Na-check at na-scan ko na po itong mga unit, kaya garantisadong magaganda po ang quality nitong unit. Kaya sa mga naghahanap ng sasakyan dyan, check this out mga idol at bossing ko. Alright, let's start. Pero bago nating simulan, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe at kung bago ka pa lang sa aking YouTube channel, paki-like and subscribe naman po at isama mo na ang notification bell para maging updated ka sa mga video na i-upload ko. Nandito na po sila, first unit na kasama sa ating lineup. Meron po tayong 2024 Suzuki Espresso 1.0 GL AGS automatic transmission, gas engine odometer, 4,000 km, price 480,000. Location Santolan, Pasig City. Good as new condition, first owned, fresh in and out, 4,000 km lang po ang mileage nito, amoy bago pa. Naka-touchscreen head unit na rin po ito. 5-speed auto gear shift with Tiptronic shifting. Sa mga naghahanap dyan ng first car nila for everyday use, eto, napaka-fuel efficient na itong unit. Best buy unit to mga idol. Under the hood, naka 1.0 liter 3-cylinder 12-valve gasoline engine that produces 66 horsepower at 89 Nm of torque. Complete CASA records with warranty. No issue po ang unit na to, nothing to fix. May kasama pa po itong dalawang original key. Makakapal pa pang mga gulong neto, nasa 95% trade line at wala po itong gas-gas, walang dent. Next, we have 2023 Toyota Veloz 1.5V automatic transmission, gas engine odometer, 16,000 km, price 980,000. Location Pasig City. Meron po tayong 7-seater MPV, top of the line series, good as new condition. Naka-keyless entry na to, push start button. Naka-CVT transmission na po to with eco mode and power mode. Naka-Android touchscreen head unit with reverse camera and sensor. Meron na rin tong 360 camera. May traction control system, may drive assist. Naka-wireless charging na po ito. Naka-electronic handbrake na po ito, all power and all mechanism, 100% working. First owned unit, good as brand new condition itong unit. Must see the unit to appreciate. Malamig ang aircon ng unit, maayos ang kondisyon ng mga upuan at komportable ka kung ito ang gagamitin mo. Under the hood, this Toyota Veloz is powered by a 1.5 liter gasoline engine that produces 105 horsepower at 138 Nm of torque. Guaranteed no engine issue. Kompleto din po ang mga papel nito with CASA records with warranty. Naka-registered pa to hanggang 2026. Outside appearance, very presentable. Wala po itong gas-gas, walang dent. May dalawa po itong original remote key at ang mga gulong nito nasa 90% trade life. Next, 2023 Ford Ranger 2.0 XLT 4x2 automatic transmission, diesel engine odometer, 22,000 km, price 1,050,000. Location Santolan, Pasig City. Meron din tayong good as brand new condition na pickup. New look na po ito. Naka 12 inches Android monitor with iOS, with navigation, with auxiliary and Bluetooth ready. Meron na rin tong wireless charger. All power and all panel gauge, 100% working. Lamig ang aircon nitong unit with automatic climate control. Smooth ang suspension, wala po itong kalampag. Under the hood, 2023 Ford Ranger powered by a 2.0 bi-turbo common rail diesel injection that produces 206 horsepower at 500 Nm of torque. Nothing to fix, ready for long drive. Makinis at maganda po ang pagka-black neto, wala po itong gas-gas, walang dent. First owned unit at makakapal pa ang mga gulong nito. Sasakyan mo na lang tong unit, just diesel and go. Next, 2023 Toyota Vios 1.3 XLE CVT automatic transmission, gas engine odometer, 8,000 km, price 650,000. Location Pasig City. CASA maintained with CASA records with warranty. Sa naghahanap dyan ng Toyota Vios na gusto nyong ipasok sa Grab, pwede din gamitin pang everyday use. Naka-touchscreen head unit na to, all stock, all original. Check nyo po actual mileage. Low mileage lang po yan, not tampered. Clean and fresh, intact interior, good as brand new condition. Under the hood, superb quality engine. Naka 1.3 liter dual VVTi gasoline engine that produces 98 horsepower at 123 Nm of torque. Running condition po ang unit na to, ready for long drive at naka-registered pa to hanggang 2026. May kasama pa po itong dalawang original key. Outside appearance, stock original shiny paint. Very presentable, just gas and go. Next, 2023 Mazda BT50 3.0L 4x2 Automatic transmission, diesel engine, odometer, 13,000 km. Price, 980,000. Location, Pasig City. Another 2023 na pickup. Good as brand new condition. Multi-function steering wheel. Meron na po itong voice control at cruise control. Naka-touchscreen head unit with reverse camera and sensors. Lahat naman po ng unit natin, 100% oreg mileage, not tampered. First owned, malamig ang aircon nitong unit with automatic climate control. All power and all mechanism, 100% working. Naka-leather seats na po ang mga upuan neto. Clean and fresh, intact interior, labas at loob. Maayos ang kondisyon, presentable. Under the hood, powerful engine condition. Naka 3.0 liter diesel engine that produces 187 horsepower at 450 Nm of torque. Smooth and swabe manakbo to. Ready for long drive. First owned unit. Outside appearance, stock original shiny paint. Mga gulong neto, nasa 90% trade line. Wala po itong gas-gas, walang dent. Kompleto ang mga papel, LTO and SPG verified. Next, 2022 Nissan Urban NB350 2.5L manual transmission, diesel engine, odometer, 28,000 km. Price, 985,000. Location, Pasig City. Sa mga idol at bossing ko dyan na naghahanap ng quality na Nissan NB350, check this out mga bossing. 15-seater ang capacity neto. Naka-seat cover lang po yan, pero kahit alisin ang seat cover niyan, maayos po ang kondisyon ng mga upuan netong unit. Smooth ang suspension, malakas sumatak, swabe manakbo. Pwede rin tong pang family service sa mga mahilig mag-travel. Pwede rin ipasok ng lalamog tong unit. First owned, private use only. Outside appearance, maayos at malinis pong pagkaputi neto at makakapal pang mga gulong. Nasa 85% trade line. Sasakyan na lang tong unit. Next, 2022 Toyota Vios 1.3X LE CVT automatic transmission, gas engine, odometer, 17,000 km. Price, 568,000. Location, Pasig City. Another Toyota Vios, same features at variant lang po nung nauna kanina. 2023 model lang po yun at silver ang kulay. Pilian nyo na lang mga idol at bossing ko pang personal use. Pwede rin ipasok ng pang-grab. 100% lahat po ito oreg mileage. Pwede nyo pong ipacheck sa kasa. Under the hood, smooth and quiet engine. Naka 1.3 liter dual VVTi gasoline engine that produces 98 horsepower at 123 Nm of torque. Good running condition po ito, no hidden defects. Available din po itong unit natin sa financing plus check ng computation nasa screen. Ang XLE variant natin naka 15 inches two-toned alloy wheels, makakapal pang mga gulong neto. Nalagyan na po ito ng accessories, naka full garnish set na po itong unit. Naka-registered to hanggang 2025, 100% not flooded unit at 100% no accident history. Next, 2022 MG ZS 1.5 style, automatic transmission, gas engine, odometer, 28,000 km. Price, 458,000. Location, Pasig City. Baka may naghahanap sa inyo dyan ng MG ZS style, push start button na to. Naka-Android touchscreen head unit na rin to with reverse camera and sensors. Good as new condition rin to, first owned, complete booklet with CASA records, all power and all mechanism, gumagana po lahat. Check this out mga bossing, sipatin nyo pong mabuti ang unit na to. All panel gauge, gumagana rin po lahat. Check nyo po actual mileage, not tampered. Naka-factory leather seat pa to, 5-seater ang capacity at naka-deep dish matting na rin po ito. May kasama po itong dalawang remote key. Sa mga interesado, pwede nyo pong i-view ng actual ang unit. You can bring your trusted mechanic, check and list ka naman po ito. Kung may mga inquiry pa po kayo dyan at para sa mabilis na transaksyon, andyan po sa taas yung smart and WhatsApp account ko po. Next, we have 2022 MG ZS 1.5 Alpha, automatic transmission, gas engine, odometer, 20,000 km. Price, 580,000. Location, Pasig City. Ang ganda ng pagkaputi nito. Ito po yung top of the line variant ni MG ZS. Clean and fresh interior, good as new condition. Push start button na to with cruise control. Naka-two-tone premium leather seats. Elegant interior design. Naka-touchscreen head unit with reverse camera and sensor. Ang isa pang maganda dito, meron po itong sunroof at saka moonroof. Kaya sa mga interesado dyan, pilihan nyo na lang po yung dalawang MG ZS natin. Under the hood, naka 1.5 liter gas engine that produces 105 horsepower at 141 Nm of torque. Wala po itong oil leakage at wala po itong overheat history. No issue po ang engine nito, ready for long drive. Ang linis ng mags nitong unit, wala pong gutter marks at ang mga gulong nasa 90% trade line. Ang isa pang maganda dito, maganda po ang daytime running lights nitong unit at ang ganda po ng front grille. Next, 2022 Mitsubishi Mirage Hatchback 1.2 GLX, automatic transmission, gas engine, odometer, 15,000 km. Price, 450,000. Location, Pasig City. Makinis itong unit, wala po itong gas-gas, walang dent. Sa mga naghahanap dyan mga idol at bossing ko ng First car nila ito, good quality unit. First owned unit, good as new condition. Ang baba lang po ng mileage nitong unit. Fresh and intact in interior, nothing to fix. Kaya sa mga naghahanap ng hatchback dyan, pwede nyo pong i-consider to mga bossing. Under the hood, no talsek, no usok, no blow-by. Naka 1.2 liter 3-cylinder gasoline engine that produces 78 horsepower at 100 Nm of torque. Good running condition, ready to use. Ang ganda na rin ng forma nito, ang linis ng mags at makakapal pang mga gulong nito. For more quality units, you can visit my Facebook page, J. Catskill Vlogs. Marami rin po akong unit na nakapost doon para mas marami kayong choices na pagpipilian. Next, 2022 Mitsubishi Mirage G4 1.2 GLX, automatic transmission, gas engine, odometer, 9,000 km, price 498,000. Location, Santolan, Pasig City. Meron din tayong Mitsubishi Mirage na sedan, very low mileage lang din tong unit, good as new condition, first owned, malamig din po ang aircon nitong unit. Check nyo po actual mileage, 100% not tampered. Clean and fresh intact interior, maayos po ang upholstery nitong unit. Pwede nyo rin pong ipasok to sa Grab. Check nyo po engine bin nito under the hood. Wala po itong oil leakage, wala po itong overheat history. Naka 1.2 liter 3-cylinder gasoline engine that produces 77 horsepower at 100 Nm of torque. Well maintain itong unit, kompleto ng spare tire, kompleto ng tools. All stock, all original, flawless po ang outside appearance itong unit. Sasakyan na lang to, ready for long drive. Next, 2021 Honda BR-V 1.5V, automatic transmission, gas engine, odometer, 27,000 km, price 780,000. Location, Pasig City. Ang gwapo rin itong Honda BR-V, 7-seater ang capacity. Naka-keyless entry na to, push start button. Naka-CVT transmission with eco mode and sports mode. May dashcam installed. Naka-touchscreen head unit with reverse camera and sensor. All power and all panel gauge, 100% working. First owned. Naka-leather na pong mga upuan nito. Naka-deep dish matting. Clean and fresh intact interior. Must see the unit to appreciate. Under the hood, superb and quality engine. Naka 1.5 liter iVTEC gasoline engine that produces 118 horsepower at 145 Nm of torque. Available din po itong unit sa financing plus check po ng computation nasa screen. Lahat po ng unit natin available for cash, trade and financing. Just comment down below sa video sa computation at i-assist ko po kayo. Next, 2021 Toyota Vios 1.3xe CVT, automatic transmission, gas engine, odometer, 10,000 km, price 520,000. Location, Pasig City. Another Toyota Vios. Ang ganda rin ng pagkupulan nito. Very low mileage lang din ang unit na to. Well-maintained unit. Halos hindi po masyadong nagagamit. Naka-touchscreen head unit na rin to. Naka-power steering, naka-dual SRS airbag. Malamig ang aircon with automatic climate control. Under the hood, malinis ang engine nito. Wala pong oil leakage. Naka 1.3 liter dual VVTi gasoline engine that produces 98 horsepower at 123 Nm of torque. Kaya sa mga naghahanap ng good as new condition na Toyota Vios, meron na po tayong tatlong unit na available. Meron tayong 2023 na kulay silver, 2022 na kulay black, at 2021 na kulay red. Pilian nyo na lang po mga idol. Next, we have 2021 Toyota Innova 2.8e, automatic transmission, diesel engine, odometer, 25,000 km, price 960,000. Location, Pasig City. Meron din tayong quality na Toyota Innova, naka-Pulgar na set na po ito. Smooth and responsive, 6-speed automatic transmission with eco mode and sports mode. May free dashcam installed, naka-touchscreen head unit with reverse camera and sensors. 8-seater ang capacity, perfecto pang personal and family use. Under the hood, superb quality engine, naka 2.8 liter diesel engine that produces 174 horsepower at 360 Nm of torque. No engine issue. Sa mga interesado, pwede nyo pong i-view ng actual ang unit. Flawless po ang unit na to, wala po itong gas-gas, walang dent. Kompleto ang mga papel nito, ready for transfer, LTO and HPG verified. Sasakyan nyo na lang to, just diesel and go. Next, 2020 Honda Jazz 1.5 RS, automatic transmission, gas engine, odometer, 18,000 km, price 780,000. Location, Pasig City. Meron din tayong gwapo at formado na Honda Jazz RS. Naka-keyless entry na to, push start button. Naka-CVT transmission with eco mode and sports mode with paddle shifter. Safety features nito, may anti-lock braking system with electronic brake force distribution. Naka-dual SRS ABS airbag, all power and all mechanism, 100% working, clean and fresh intact interior. Under the hood, superb quality engine, naka 1.5 liter i-VTEC gasoline engine that produces 118 horsepower at 145 Nm of torque. Goods na goods ang unit na to mga bossing. Bago lang po ang mags neto at naka Ferrari pang mga gulong neto, nasa 90% trade life. Best buy unit nating to fix, just gas and go. Next, 2020 Toyota Hilux Conquest 2.4G automatic transmission, diesel engine, odometer, 21,000 km. Price 1,190,000. Location Pasig City. Another quality na pickup, Toyota Hilux Conquest. Naka-keyless entry na to, push start button, 6-speed automatic transmission with eco mode and sports mode. Naka-Android touchscreen head unit na po ito with navigation, with iOS, with auxiliary and Bluetooth ready. All power and all panel gauge, 100% working. Will maintain to ng first owner, hindi masyadong gamit. Kita naman sa itsura ng mga upuan, pati sidings, naka-leather na po yan, malinis. No engine issue pang unit, ready for long drive. Alright, ayan na po lahat ang upload natin for today's video. Sana po may napili at nakursunadahan kayo. Kung wala pa po dyan yung unit na kursunada nyo, just comment down below sa video at hahanapan ko po kayo. Don't forget to click like and subscribe. Marami pong salamat. Hanggang sa next upload, this is J Catskill Vlogs. Peace out!